How are we going to spot higher medium probability trades? What we need to think about is that medium probability trades are not 100% working at the moment. They're not 60% working at the moment, and they have a lower likelihood of working out according to the system. And why is that? Because medium probability trades along the spectrum of low probability, medium probability, higher medium probability, and high probability. So medium is so close to low probability that we need to do something about that. Okay? And that's what I'm going to be telling you now. And that is, we need to find and sift through the trades that we are not going to take that are considered a medium probability trade. So if you go and take a look at the index, you'll see it's red all around. We might have banked gross profits, but net profits have been negative, which means that something needs to be done for medium probability trades. High probability trades, on the other hand, 100% win rate are in terms of the monthly win rate, okay? And we're doing very well with Supreme. So I'm very happy with that. There is nothing to talk further upon with the high probability trades. We're going to keep doing what we're doing. The medium probability trades, you can see that if you took every single trade with medium probability trades, you would have ended up with a minus 5% of your portfolio. Not only are you losing money, you're also wasting your time. So we do need to take into account of medium probability trades are probably not the way to go, and we need to find within the spectrum between medium and high probability trades. So this is the idea. I'm going to go back to the JSE top 40. I'm going to remove all the drawings. I'm going to throw in my MultiTrader 2200, okay? And now let's go to the other day. Step 1, find out what the weekly bias is. So the weekly bias is bullish, okay? That's step 1. Step 2, wait for a trade to line up. That is medium probability trades. Step 3, wait for the bias to confirm. Step 4, action. So what that means is that step 1, the weekly bias is bullish. Okay, so we know that the weekly bias is bullish. So we're going to go check. Step 2, wait for a trade to line up. So we're going to grab an arc over here that is a cup and handle. So the trade is lined up nicely. It then breaks above the brim level. So the breakout takes place here. And then we have our long position. So our long position, we normally do 250 points or so. We can do 260. It's as close to the handle as we can do. And then the take profit is a risk to reward of 1 to 2. So what is the weekly bias? It's bullish. Check. 2, wait for a trade to line up. Medium probability trade. What makes this a medium probability trade? Because the price is above the 20-day moving average, but the price is below the 200-day moving average. So there is an imbalance between the moving averages. So that confirms that it's a medium probability trade. So that would be the entry, that would be the stop loss, and this will be the take profit. Wait for the bias to confirm. So are we going long or short? We are going long. The weekly bias is bullish. We are going long, and it's a medium probability trade. So that would make it a higher medium probability trade. Here is another one. Step 1, find out what the weekly bias is. In this case, it's bullish. Step 2, wait for the trading setup. Okay, so we can throw this up to a risk to reward of 1 to 2. Drag that across. Okay. Step 3, make sure that the bias that we are going with the trade is according to the weekly bias. So we're going long here at 203. The weekly bias is bullish. So it has a higher likelihood of working out because we are following the weekly bias. Here is a higher medium probability trade.